Okay, everyone, now I'm going to make sure you know how to add levels to your game. So we're going to make the game a little bit harder as we go. It'll get faster. And perhaps you also change the background when you get to a different level. For example, here's my regular level 1. You might want to add some new costumes for level 2 and level 3 so that they change automatically. So how we're going to do this is we're going to control our speed of our obstacles with a variable. So for me, my obstacle is building. The obstacle is whatever's moving across the screen. And right now it has a velocity of -7, so that's what's making my building move to the left. But instead of just a solid number that stays the same, we are going to create a variable to keep track of the speed. So let's call variable speed. We actually want the var x equals. So variable speed equals -7. So it'll still start as the same. And we are going to drag the velocity block inside of the draw function because this is going to end up changing. So my building velocity x is speed, which still is -7. So nothing has changed. My game still works the same. But what I want to happen if I get to a certain number of points is I want to update that speed. So like I said, if I get to a certain number of points. So keyword there is if. Now you also should have some sort of score or lives or points. And you want to know if the score is greater than or equal to a certain number. So let's say maybe for me it's going to be 3 points. What do I want to happen? I want to increase the speed. You guys can decide what it is. I'm going to make it something much faster. I'm going to say speed instead of -7, I'm going to make it -14, which is way too fast, but just to show a point. And maybe you also change the background to a different one. Okay, and this now is not the same sprite as the obstacle. This is the background. Mine is called Cityscape. So now, once I get to greater than 3 or equal to 3 points, so there's 2, nothing's changed yet. 3 points, you can see now the background changes and it gets way faster. Now if I want to add more levels, you just add another else if statement. Okay, so the way I did that was I add the plus for else and then the else if, and then I can get rid of the else. So now if I want to say score is greater than or equal to 5, and you can change these numbers, this is whatever you want the level to be. You're going to update the speed again. So I'll say speed equals maybe 50. That's going to be way too fast, but you're going to see you can change the numbers. And then I set my animation again. So I'm going to change the Cityscape dot set animation equals level 3. This one should be the same. Okay, and now you'll notice when I get to 3, it's going to get a little bit faster, and then when I get to 5, it is going to go like obnoxiously fast. So you should pick better numbers, but I just wanted to demonstrate what it's going to look like, and so that way we know it's working. Now notice I put greater than 5, so actually it should have been greater than or equal to 5. Now, for some reason, it's not working. Why not? Oh, I know why. Always the most specific, the highest level should go first, is all I'll say. So score is greater than or equal to 5. That one should go first. And that one's going to be -50. So make sure the highest level is first. And this will be level 3. And this will now go down. So your number should be decreasing. Why isn't this working? All right, and then this should be -14. Okay, now let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. So there's level 2. And then I want to go to level 3 when I get 5. You'll see it's moving way faster. Okay, good luck, everybody.